Good morning, friends. I am Neeraj Kumar Dinkar. As a safety professional, I have total experience is 14 years. Last my organizations during the work period, I have faced lot of problems in my duty periods. So, guys, as a safety professionals, so you should know that they are not complaining about you, then you are really doing well job at your professional and at your organizations. Think about that questions. So guys, we have discussed today, we will discuss about that type of things because of nowadays you know that as a safety professionals, many organizations, many industry also hire the safety officer and safety manager for a better safety implementations and monitoring the occupation, monitoring all aspect environment occupational health safety management system at an organization. So guys, as my past experience in 14 years in journey of HSC professional, so many problems faced during the work because of you know that safety is very standard to improvements at your workplace because of many peoples are disturbed due to if you are going to taking positive safety culture at workplace, there is many things come and many problems faced during the work because of you know that management's thinking about the productivity. First challenge, top management also thinking about the productivity and how much target should be achievements in our work period and some milestones divided and targeted it given by milestone. A milestone for the concreting castings, for the completions of work, for the small particles, a small work job. So there is many things of the achievement of target and focusing on target. So that times some safety deviations and notice that and how to handle that situations. And my questions is there mentioned. They are not complaining. They are not complaining about you. Are you really doing good job? Think about this. No, I this is answers will be no if they are not proper doing well job at organizations because of know that there is many compromise with the engineers, with the managements related the occupational health safety management system because of both of M is different because of you know that as a productivity persons which are executed the executing teams also targeted achieve the how to productivity product more and more and safety professionals know that this is M2 zero accidents and zero harm policy at the project. Both are targets and M is different so that we cannot say that well coordinations and yet the all times at your progress because of if persons well positive related the safety and well organizations and better safety cultures, then we can say that and we can and faith and we can trust the that may be chance of positive safety cultures will be has been increased. But there is some many organizations, hundreds into 3 organizations is there in India for the developing better safety improvements with coordinations of both managements and teams and engineer supervisor including all. So So guys, this is our challenges to work. If you are suppose that in past my experience, some persons using of shortcut due to immediate work completion. Suppose that persons uh, doing their grinder work at outer side first floors, there there was need of a scaffolding and working platform purpose. The persons installed one ladder, and that work has been finished. This is safe. Because of this is a shortcut duration and shortcut and negligence of safety. So if a safety professional, you have to stop that. This is first responsibility to stop that work because of grinder work on ladders. This is very serious issue. It may be dangerous occurrence happen at dangerous occurrence at the project. So that times engineers and safety officers also struggle and fighting the work and safety. So that person should be, that persons may be complained to top managements because that safety persons his safety for his safety persons should we stop my job because of this safety reasons. But safety officers are doing well job. This is a responsibility to stop the any unsafe act and unsafe condition at the project. So this is doing well job, but the complaints complaining to others departments head. So guys, I am saying to I am said to that it very well job and doing well perfect job. Some other safety persons who will be there, so maybe coordinate. Okay, you can continue. I will not aware about these things because this is a compromise. If safety persons say and agree to work on a ladder, that is compromise. They are not doing the well job because of this is a very poor negligence. We can say the negligence, we can say the untrusted persons, we can say that some not taking responsibility during the work. So guys, if a safety professionals are complaining to a management, top management, then they are doing a well job. As a safety professionals, I am looking the entire project 5-6 buildings is their Godrej property limited. But there is many things. There is approx 600 people working in the organization. But 600 people working in organizations with respect to safety. But there is also approx 20 safety officers as they are deployed for the monitoring health safety management, health safety profession. But till day nowadays, no safety persons, no person engineers complaining about the safety because that safety persons are not good. Because of that, are some compromising. 1-2 safety officers there is available. So also top management talking about the complaint. Some persons people going to complain means that safety officer doing well job in our organization and honestly working. So guys, don't fear related the any complaint about you because you are doing well job. If you are doing the well and honestly work with your an organization, there not should be no should be any fears related the job. If you have to leave that job, it may be chance of others better opportunity in market. So, oh guys, as a safety persons should be aware about the incident, accidents, and near miss and dangerous occurrence at your workplace, because they have to take responsibility to organize and motivate to all other person and control the hazard, risk and accidents at your workplace. This is first responsibility because of you are using a green helmet at the project. Nobody is using the green helmet because of you are a well qualified person and experienced person. Then company or then organizations you should faith and trusted and or hired to you for safety improvement at your workplace. So guys, don't appear proactively work at your workplace. This is my thinking, and do well job and save the human life. Because of your compromise, your not your negligence, maybe chance of loss of human life at your workplace. So guys, this is important to all us. Please follow the safety rules, safety guidelines as per standards of BOCWR, as per standard your organizations, as per standard of ILO, or as per articles 39 also given the protect the human life. Because of you are doing a safety professional, then you should aware about the safety. Thanks guys, you know that this is a very well topic about the if you are going to if you are complaining about you, don't fear. Because of you are doing a well job, don't any demotivate during the work period. Because of you are doing well job in your organization. Thanks guys.